Here's a really new cool tracer slash chronograph from T238. So T238.net has some awesome tracers. They ship fast. I believe they ship from Hong Kong, so it ships fast, but they're also on Amazon, or at least a lot of them are. And this is their newest item. It's really cool. So I'm going to actually probably splice this into another video where we showed in action, but this part of the video is going to show you how to use this and kind of a little bit about how it works and the menu system on there and everything. So this is the tracer. So you can see, obviously it's a different shape than we've seen before, this kind of rectangular shape. And this not only has like 15 different colors, it also has a built-in chronograph. So it's going to be able to measure that FPS and RPS for you. And it's also going to be able to record that. So that's definitely really cool and different, something we haven't seen before. Now, in the past, I've always been very happy with the T238 tracers. Really, I think they probably are the best ones out there, at least the best ones I've been able to show you guys. So make sure you check them out. Now, a lot of people always ask about sizes, right? So this is going to work for basically, it should any blaster that you have, because it's got the adapters here, right? So you got a 19 millimeter adapter to 16 millimeter and a 19 millimeter adapter to 14 millimeter. So for the 14 millimeter counterclockwise, which is what most blasters are, no issues at all. And then you can see there's some set screws in there because, of course, when you put this on, you're going to want it to be straight. So you're going to put your little adapter on, and then you're going to slide this on and use those set screws so that it actually stays straight. Okay, so we're going to turn it on, and if you just push and hold, a button, that turns it on. So I know it's going to be a little hard to see on the screen here. Maybe it looks like you can see a little bit. So I'm going to talk to you about the menus. Okay, you can kind of see there. I know it's giving you that flash when you video stuff like this, but let's talk a little bit about the menu. So first of all, you just kind of use these like arrows. So you'll just figure that out, back and forward, up and down, right? So your main, screen shows you what your FPS is, what your RPS is. You've got your little record or memory screen. And then if we go back to your options screen and push down, this is where you can turn like the chronograph off and on. You can adjust the tracer. So if we go into that, you've got rainbow, dynamic, red, yellow, green, blue, white, and then of course you can turn it off. So if we go ahead and you can just say we want to switch to rainbow, you're just going to go ahead and select rainbow. Okay. And then you can set your diameter of your gels. I usually put like 7.5. You do 7.3 if you're, have a really high performance blaster and you're control growing those gels. You can adjust the weight. This is where you can adjust to FPS or meters per second. Most of the time I always talk about FPS, so that's what I put it in. And then for rate, you can do RPS, which is per second or per minute. All right, so that's how you adjust all those. And then the middle button works as your enter button. And then you can just scroll over from there. So pretty straightforward, easy to use. You'll definitely figure it out. Not difficult at all. So then it will just turn itself off. It'll just time off over time if it just sits without being used. Your charging port right there, USB-C, that comes with 2. This plug goes on there. I've just pulled it off all the way, but that just pops back in there and can fill that in if you want to leave that in. So really cool product, really cool idea. Definitely going to have fun showing you how to use it. So actually, I do think I'll post this video separate, kind of as a how-to / setup with the T238 Daybreak chronograph version. And then I'll do a separate video where I demonstrate it in use, talk about it a little more, and maybe switch through some of those different options and show you some of the different cool colors. All right, so check out T238.net. or find them on Amazon if you prefer. Either way, a great, legit site, legit company that makes some awesome products. Comments, questions, post them below. Like, subscribe, share my channel with your friends, and make sure you participate in those monthly giveaways on my YouTube channel where you can win over $200 in custom blasters and accessories. Thanks for your support.